Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to today's tip of the day. Uh, I have patients who, when we're working out, let's say the upper extremity, let's say they're doing shoulder or elbow rehab, when they're doing exercises, they would kind of notice that they'll have this kind of like flabby thing in their arm, right? And especially women, they're very conscious about this, and they ask me this question all the time. They ask me, how can I like when they're waving like this and it's kind of like swaying and waving also at the same time. I'm pretty sure some of you can relate to that, especially the women. Like I mentioned, a lot of people ask me that. They tend to be conscious about it. They tend to be women. All right. So they ask me the questions, how do they get rid of that? So whenever they ask me that, I ask them back, why do they want to get rid of it? How is it affecting them? And the response that I get a lot will be, it's actually affecting their confidence. It's making them feel unattractive. So it affects the way they see themselves. And in situations like that, I would want to be able to help them. So if you are in that same situation, you're having problem with that flabby part here in the arm area and you want to get rid of it, definitely watch this video. All right, so a few things that you can do for that is, the main thing is you want to do some resistance exercise for your tricep muscle, because that's the tricep muscle is the muscle here in the like under the arm area. Okay, so you want to tone this up so it decreases that flabby part that's swaying there. Okay, so how do you tone up the triceps? Then you do strengthening exercises for it. There's a few things you can do. You can, as simple as using dumbbells, or at home you have bottled water or anything that can be a substantial weight, and you'll be able to do tricep extensions like this, going overhead. Just make sure you don't hit your head. All right, so you're doing some resistance exercise for the triceps. Or you can even use resistance bands if you don't have dumbbells, or let's say example you don't want to use dumbbells, you can use resistance bands and pulling it up, right? Or if you have shoulder issues or any issue that prevents you from reaching up, or let's say you just cannot reach up, you'll be able to use resistance bands on like on a different angle and still work that tricep area. All right, or you can do push-ups, which are very good, that can hit those triceps, the regular push-ups or even an incline, or you can do seated push-ups. So those are dips. Those are really good, and that's gonna work those. Basically, you just want to tone up the tricep area so it decreases that loose part there that is swaying, that flabby area. All right, so if that's something that you think you'll need, definitely try those suggestions. If for any reason you're unable to do that, or when you try to do it you feel pain, or if you have any injuries or anything that prevents you from being able to do those exercises, definitely give us a call. We can set up an evaluation and see what the problem is, and we'll be able to get you back to doing your exercises as soon as possible. And feel free to give us a call on the number below. Try these and let me know what you think. Let me know what you feel. Leave your comments. I would love to hear them. Feel free to share this with people family, friends. You can follow us on Instagram and like us on Facebook, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. So I'll see you in the next video of Get Active and Fit with Reggie. Stay safe and stay pain-free. Bye.